So to practice, you're going to be doing IXL JJ.1 on theoretical probability. JJ.1 on theoretical probability. And by the way, I sent you to your email address. I sent you the your login information in case you've forgotten. So if you don't have it, look there. It's JJ.1. All right. So remember, if you want to look back, you can always click on this to learn with an example. And let's go back to the practice. It says you flip a coin. Okay, flip a coin. So it's saying, what's the probability you get heads? So this notation, we haven't used this exactly, but there's nothing. All it means is the probability of a given outcome. So there are two outcomes. One of them is tails, one of them is heads. Therefore, you have a 50% chance of getting heads. In this case, it asks you for a percentage. Sometimes you'll see that it asks you for something different. Always going to be a number between 0 and 1 somehow. 50% is the same as a half. It's between 0 and 1. The correct answer here is 50%. But it's good to be fluent in going back and forth between decimals and fractions and percents. Okay, pick a card at random. What's the probability that it's even? Okay, if we look at this, we see that we have an even 6 and we have an even 8. So we have 2 out of the 4 are even. 2 out of 4. This time it says write as a fraction or a whole number. You'll note it also says simplify. Okay, so 2/4, of course, is the same as 1/2. So the correct answer here would be 1/2. So let me switch back to here, and I can just put in 1/2 and submit. Okay. So now, for some reason, I got rid of half of what we wrote there. All right, so next one, spin the spinner once. What is the probability that P is prime? Okay, so let's think about what are our prime numbers here. 7 is a prime number. 8 is not because it's divisible by 2. 9 is not, it's divisible by 3. So only 1 out of those 4 is a prime number. Therefore, the probability of having a prime number is 1 out of 4. Okay, so hopefully we're getting the idea. So it's okay. Sometimes you'll get something wrong, but then if you do get something wrong, just make sure you do take a time and look. There's always a detailed explanation. So they said there are 3 odd numbers. We actually did this exact problem. 3 odd numbers. So 3 out of 6 are odd. So that's equal to 3 out of 6 or 0.5 or 50%. So if you do get it wrong, please do take the moment to look at it. And this. You guys can definitely do this. I'd like to see these scores up around 100. If you don't get there, it's okay. You can still pass, but I think that this is good practice to review the basic concept and get us ready for that quiz that we're going to have next week. So that's all for now. Thank you.